and Assalamualaikum. My name is Imam Muslim. I'm from Group B. Today we are going to talk about industrial cleaning MEC 399. So the content for this slide is first company background and logo. Second is task. Third is project. Last but not least is summary. So for Epson Johor background, Epson Precision Johor Sdn Bhd is subsidiary of Seiko Epson Company or simply Epson. EPJ based in Malaysia with the head office is in Johor Bahru. Have 7 divisions in EPJ, which are watch case division, metal part division, general office division, factory facilities engineering division, total quality management division, PPNC management division, precious part division, and lastly is business management division. Operates in fabricated metal product manufacturing sector. 2 main products which are watch case, casing, and watch movement part. This is EPJ logo and the headquarters. So for the task, my supervisor have given me the task which is rotomagnet process flow. The total of process is 11 process, but before COVID-19 and the training is suspended from the company, I got a chance to practice and learn about 2 to 3 process, which are pre-bonding, which is FB40 machine, RC12 machine, and cutting or wire saw. So FB40 machine, specially designed for coarse milling, rounding the material from square shape. RC12 machine, RC series centerless grinding machine can be used for in-feed grinding and through-feed grinding to ensure accurate high productivity on work object with diameters between 1 mm to 50 mm. Wire saw. Wire saw is used in the process of making wafers needed. It is fine metal cutting wire used for cutting material such as screws. The first features is FB40 machine. Second features is RC12 machine, and the last features is wire saw machine. So for UiTM task, the UiTM Faculty Mechanical Engineering have given the task for the student who not get any work from home from the company. And for me, I have given this task to complete for the remaining 8 weeks. For this task, they have been divided by some group for the student and led by the supervising lecturer. For my group, the supervising lecturer is Sir Fazli and got the assisting from assistant engineer, which are Mr. Nabil and Mr. Khairi. So for the first task that I we received is infographic, SOP, workshop, and laboratory. The duration of the task is 2 weeks, which is from 10 May to 21 May. The purpose of this task is to make sure the video will be used as a part of safety briefing to students before entering workshop or laboratory in faculty, especially in faculty. For the second task is procurement and survey market. The duration of the task is 4 weeks from 26 May to 18 June 2020. The purpose of the task is to require students to understand the function of the machine and equipment and all related components of the machine. So for this task, the supervisor have given 8 machines and each student has to choose 3 machines. And for me, I had choose 3 machines, which are CNC rotor machine, shredder machine, and hand grinding sliding cutter jig. So for this machine, we need to search the component such as in Lazada or Shopee or AliExpress. So the component that the students need to search must be the component that easy to do at lab, easy to combine the component at the lab, and also the component the price of the component is comfortable and the component is long lasting. Last but not least is teaching aids. The duration for finishing this task is 1 week. It is similar to infographic, which is the first task. They have to make the video, and the student can make the video such as at the KineMaster or at the Powtoon. And the teaching aids for the teaching aids, they have to choose the course from part 1 to part 6. The student need to choose it. And for me, I choose the part 1 course, which is Fundamental Physics, MEC 111. And from the course, I choose chapter 1. It is System of Unit. So the project that I have received from the company is Air Leak Identification Project. So the purpose of the project is to support the e-Kaizen program developed by the management team to optimize the use of excess waste. The management has planned to utilize the use of energy resources such as electricity and through the various projects to minimize the use of energy in daily activity. They determine that the air leakage also increase the EPJ monthly bill payments, and they required to identify any source to solve the problem. Second is Excel training. For Excel training, every staff, including students that have been accepted in EPJ, they need to train their soft skills such as Excel. And also, this is because most of the PITES EPJ uses Microsoft Excel to do any documentation or graphics. And last but not least is drawing tool Trolley using SolidWorks. The purpose of drawing the trolley is to improve the design before, and also to make it easier that can be used by the staff. This is the first project. This is the second project. And lastly, the third project. So, summary LI. Firstly, I learned a lot during 3 months in industrial training. And also, other than that, it is also give me a chance to feel real environment when working in mechanical field. Last but not least, industrial training is not a waste program for UiTM because it gives a chance for students to training and also to feeling themselves in engineering field. The end.